Today's webinar is for companies and individuals looking at how to automate processes in the production of furniture. RAR UK Automation has supported a number of furniture manufacturers to install collaborative robots, combined with specialist tooling, to improve productivity and quality. Today, we will look at how other companies involved in the production of furniture can quickly deploy this established and readily available technology to their benefit. We are going to look at 4 particular applications: screw driving, sanding and polishing, gluing, and general assembly. During the course of the webinar, we will share with you a number of application videos and guides to give you ideas on where you could use the collaborative robots and to demonstrate how quickly and easily the technology can be deployed. Before we look at the applications, we should explain a little bit about the cobot. At RAR UK Automation, we've been supplying cobots from Universal Robots since 2008. Over that time, the product has developed to ensure that it can be deployed as quickly, easily and safely as possible. Whilst discussing each application today, the ease of programming and integration will be shown, as well as tips and tricks to help guide you to make an application as safe as possible. All robots from Universal Robot have many safety features built in that make the robot fundamentally safe to work alongside humans. However, it is essential that all applications are risk assessed by a suitably qualified individual, as the use of additional tooling and the application itself may present a risk to humans. Certain benefits of deploying cobots are consistent across all applications. These include quick and easy deployment and programming, the ability to install in a small footprint with minimal or no guarding, depending on the application. They can work safely alongside humans and as such can be used as a tool to assist workers. This has helped reduce the risk of RSIs. The ability to redeploy easily, thus making it a viable automation solution for relatively small batch volumes. A fast payback time. So, on to our first application, screw driving. The cobot from Universal Robots has a number of plug-and-play accessories and tools that have been specifically designed to meet the demands of certain tasks. These products, known as UR+, have been specially developed by third-party companies, often with experience in a specific field. Automated screw driving is a case in point, with a number of end tools available. The automation of the laborious and time-consuming task of screw and nut insertion and tightening can be handled by all models of UR. The UR3, a 3 kilo payload, 500mm reach robot, has an end joint that has infinite rotation, which allows a basic tool to be fitted to handle the application. The larger models, 5 kilo and 850mm reach, or 10 kilo and 1200mm reach, or even 16 kilo and 950mm reach, will require specialist end-of-arm tooling. In all cases, the method of feeding parts to the robot must be considered. Some end tools will include an automated feed, where others may require auxiliary equipment to ensure the parts are delivered to a fixed point in a uniform way to ensure a repeatable process. In either case, we can provide guidance in choosing the correct equipment. Another consideration is the torque feedback through the robot from the tightening process. It is essential that this is taken into account when programming the robot. Our technical support and training specialists are available to provide the knowledge and support to allow you to program the robots to ensure the robot moves and positions itself in certain ways to minimise wear and tear. The following videos show how to set up a typical piece of end tooling available for screw driving applications and how easily it can be deployed and reprogrammed to meet a variety of applications. The next application we're going to look at is sanding and polishing. Specialist tools have been designed and developed to be fitted on a universal robot for surface finishing processes. The cobot itself has built-in force sensors that allow for active force feedback. This feedback allows the robot to maintain a consistent force on an object whilst following a profile. The use of clever wizards in the universal robot programming allows a path to be quickly recorded and, in combination with the force feedback, combine to create a path for surface finishing. The following video and guide shows how quickly and easily this can be set up. There are a number of benefits that our customers have seen when using cobots for sanding and polishing, including the redeployment of staff to more skilled tasks, the redeployment of staff to cleaner and less dusty parts of the workplace, far more suited for humans, a consistent and repeatable process that has led to uniform surface finishes across the product and on all products in that batch, and finally, increased productivity and throughput. Our third application for today looks at the dispensing of glues, sealants and solvents. In many industries, the benefits of automated dispensing of products has been well known. The likes of glues, greases and sealants are dispensed automatically in mass-produced products. The cobot from Universal Robot has made the automation of dispensing applications available to a wider range of industries with much smaller batch quantities due to the ease of programming and redeployment. Using specially designed end tooling and utilising the path recording technology built into the robot, complex patterns can be followed and beads of product dispensed in a consistent and repeatable manner. Customers that have taken the plunge with automating their dispensing applications have seen product quality improve due to the path being followed in the same way on every single part, with an even bead of product being dispensed due to flow and speed of movement being controlled. They have also seen quantities of product used drop considerably due to the controlled nature of the dispensing. One word of warning though, not all fluids materials can be dispensed through the end tooling, developed specifically for the UR. Due to the limited power available at the tool end, there is a limited viscosity that can be dosed. Thicker material can be dosed using other dedicated dosing tools, but will almost certainly require a greater degree of integration that will make the adoption of automation more costly and time-consuming. Finally, we're going to look at assembly applications. The benefits of using automation for assembly processes are many and varied and have been identified by many industries. As such, much of the experience we have gained as a company with assembly processes do not necessarily come from the furniture production industry, but nevertheless can be applied in this industry just as easily as any others. Due to the number of grippers and end tools available through the UR Plus program, Universal Robots have been successfully used in thousands of assembly applications globally. As a cobot can be programmed safely to work alongside humans, many of these applications are truly collaborative, with the cobot carrying out some of the task and the human the other parts. The UR Plus end tools are all programmed through the Universal Robot software due to their plug-and-play nature, and as a result, the programming becomes far quicker and easier. In our experience, cobots have helped improve assembly applications as the active force feedback allows for a repeatable and precise force to be applied during assembly. This ensures parts are not damaged. They have also helped by taking risk of RSIs away by handling the more demanding part of the assembly process. As with some of the applications we have mentioned, the ease and low cost of deployment and redeployment make small batch production more cost effective to automate. And as such, applications that would have never been considered for automating due to a lack of payback have now become viable. We hope the applications we have discussed today and the videos and guides shown have proven useful. However, Should you be unsure of how to adopt the technology in your manufacturing processes, please do not hesitate to contact us. If you are in any doubt whether the technology would work in your applications, we would be happy to arrange for one of our team of application engineers to visit and review your facility and run a demonstration of our cobots. Alternatively, we would love to welcome you to our dedicated facility in Shefford, Bedfordshire, where we can demonstrate the cobot, the range of UR+N tooling and plugins, and a wide variety of other automation equipment. In addition, we can carry out feasibility studies and proof of concepts in our fully equipped R&D lab to give you the confidence that the technology really is for you. If you're still in doubt, we are also able to rent equipment and allow you to try before you buy and run tests with the equipment in your facility. Once you have taken the plunge to automate with RAR UK Automation, we offer accredited universal robot training in our dedicated trading academy, provide ongoing application and technical support through our team of specialists, and offer service and warranty to keep your equipment working to gain the maximum return on your investment.